Hey everyone, my name is Vojchehoske and welcome to the Real Estate Classroom YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to calculate a specific type of rental income calculation problem that you're going to need to know for your real estate licensing exam. So let's get to today's video. All right, so in today's real estate math video, I'm going to show you how to calculate a particular type of rental income calculation problem. Now, I have to be very honest with you. I didn't know the testing services were still using this type of formula on the licensing exam, or this type of math problem. It was very common several years ago, but because this particular type of formula is not readily used anymore in the industry, most of the testing services did away with it. However, in the last 6 to 8 weeks, I actually have had several communications from students saying that this type of rental calculation problem was on their licensing exam. So I thought I better put a video together so you're prepared in case this problem ends up on your real estate exam, so you'll be prepared for it. So let's take a look at what I'm talking about here. Our practice exam test question says Tom submits an offer to purchase an investment property for $125,000. The seller accepts Tom's offer. However, Tom's lender requires that the purchase price be 2.5 times or 2.5 times the annual income to qualify for the mortgage. How much in annual income does this property need to produce for Tom to qualify for financing? Now, like many of these style of real estate math problems, they are made up of 3 components, as is this one here. And if you have 2 out of the 3, which the math problem will always give you at least 2 out of the 3, then you can calculate to get the third value of that formula so you can come up with the right answer. So in our practice exam test question, we have, or our practice exam question here, we have the yearly income, which we don't know. Our math problem does not give us the yearly income. However, it does give us the 2.5 times that what we call a mathematical factor, 2.5 times, and then it also gave us the purchase price. So our formula is yearly income times 2.5 equals $125,000. But how do we come up with that yearly income to complete the formula? And this is how we do it. Step 1 is, and there's only one step to this, is we take $125,000, which is our purchase price, and we divide it by 2.5. And when we do the math, that gives us our annual income that we're trying to figure out of $50,000. Again, purchase price divided by 2.5 equals our annual income. Okay, so there's another part of this I wanted to make sure that you were aware of. So about half the students that I talked to regarding this particular math problem said that their test question wanted them to calculate the annual income, and others said weekly. So how do you figure out if your test question says weekly? Well, we add step 2. We still have to follow the same process. Okay, so we're still going to do step 1, figure out our annual income, but then we're going to add one step, and we basically take our annual income of $50,000 and we divide it by 52 weeks, or 52, and that gives us a weekly income of $961.54. So if your question wanted an answer of a weekly income answer, then you would give them $961.54. Let's say that the test question wanted to know a monthly income. You would do it the same way. Step 1, figure out your annual income. Step 2, then we would divide by 12 for each month of the year to calculate that monthly income. All right, that does it for today's video. If you're going to continue studying, check out this video right here. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please do so. Help me grow the channel. Click on the little circle here to my left. Comments and questions down below. Check out our website, therealestateclassroom.com. A lot of great information and videos there to help you study. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video.